So I'm just going to show you how to set up Eden Emulator. So the first thing you do is you download it for whatever system you have. And then you're going to need specific folders. So you're going to need firmware, the Switch firmware. So you go on Google and you just look up Switch firmware and you download the folder. This is the latest one, 21.2.0. And you need a folder called prod keys. So you go on Google and you look up Switch prod keys .io 21.2.0. You'll find it if you just look it up. And there's also Switch game updates. So you can just make a folder called Switch game updates to make everything easier for yourself. And then when you get Eden, you're gonna get this screen and you go to tools and you just install the decryption keys and you just choose the folder, and then you install firmware here and you just choose the folder. And then when you download your game, you just set the directory. It'll ask you where you want the games to come from, and you just pick the folder with all the games in it. And then if you want to update a game, you go to File, Install Files to NAND, and then you pick the update you downloaded, and it will update the game for you. I already did all that. And then you just play the game by clicking on it and connecting a controller. Another thing, if you want the game to run smooth, then you go to Emulation, Configure, then you go to Graphics, and then on resolution you choose the 0.5 option, and it'll make the resolution half, and everything would run smooth on your computer. Unless you have some crazy PC. That's like the best way to make the games run smooth. You just change the resolution. Thanks for watching.